Hey there, it's Brittany, and my Bargain Bead Box showed up today. I had been tracking it and I didn't realize that's what it was. So I'm super excited that it came, and it was a big surprise to me. We had a rough month last month, so I'm hoping this month is way better. This month, oh, it has a pink bag. So this month's shipment is, let's see, Wildflower Meadow. Okay, summer is the season of lazily flitting butterflies and brilliant wildflowers. We've combined these motifs with colors inspired by the Pantone 2021 palette for a vivid collection of cheerful floral hues. Fuchsia agate is our star with a bright petal-like pendant, while quartz, iridescent glass, crystal, and floral porcelain add on-trend touches of lilac, lavender, and pale rose. Grassy green accents, pressed glass shapes, and silver finished findings complete the collection. Well, that sounds nice. I'm excited. Let me get everything in order and then we'll go through it. Okay, so first thing I'm noticing is this month's value is much higher than last month. It's showing $68. I think last month was like at $51. I think that's subjective, so I mean, I don't really rely on that normally, but we're showing first piece is 2 pieces enameled butterfly pendants, antique silver. These are really cute. I actually like these. They have some on their website right now that I was considering getting in green. These are super cute. I really like them. I'm gonna bring my light forward a little bit. There we go. Definitely use those. Very adorable. Number 2 is the obligatory 4mm crystal bicones in grass green. I have a feeling that they must have a warehouse full of these and they just slip what other color they can figure into that month's box. I don't use them. I mean, maybe once in every 100 projects I use these. So I have a drawer full of 4mm crystal bicones. They're a pretty color, and I think they match the color combo. Number 3 is a 14.5-inch strand of 6mm fuchsia agate round beads. They're dyed and heated. These are pretty. I really like. I usually really love the agate beads I get from Bargain Bead Box because sometimes dyed agate can look kind of just blah, but their colors are always vibrant. I really like these. I will definitely use them. And I'm glad that we saw some gemstones this month. Last month, we just got glass beads and it was a little bit of a letdown. So I'm really excited about this strand, and they match perfectly with these butterflies, which might be hard to do sometimes, but they look really good together. Very cool. And I actually do like the green with the fuchsia. Number 4 is a 1 piece, 1 piece, 4 by 2.7mm steel jewelry chain. Very basic, but good. I like chain better than receiving beading wire. That's very nice. Next we have a 30 by 28mm flower pendant, antique silver. This is super cute. I like this. I have mentioned in the last couple videos that I'm shying away from this color of theirs recently because I've seen a lot of tarnishing, not only on my stuff, but in other people's videos. I think since I really do like this, I would paint it with some vintage patina paints or acrylic, dyed acrylic or something. I'm sorry, not acrylic, resin, resin it, paint it, do something. But it's really cute. I think it's a cute piece. Next we have some floral bead caps, scalloped. They're 6.5mm. That's cute. I love those. I always love bead caps though. Very nice. Number 7 is a 50-piece 4mm daisy spacer set, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Perfect. I love these. I use these all the time in different projects. Number 8 We have some 10-piece 13.5 millimeter pressed glass leaf beads, green crystal ombre. I have a lot of these of theirs, but I don't think I have a green one. I don't think I've seen a green one before, so this is really cute. It's not all green. I mean, it is all green, but it's ombre, so it's darker green at the top. I don't know if you can tell, but those are nice. You guys know I'm a sucker for some leaf beads. I love them so, so much. And then we have number 9. We have a 7.5 inch strand of 8 by 6 millimeter crystal rondelle beads, light rose AB. Those are pretty. Always like rondelles. I use them all the time. This is my kind of sparkle because I like chunkier beads most of the time. Love those. I always love rose AB. And number 10 is, it says free extra, 32 by 18 millimeter glass rectangle pendant with a pressed flower. That's super cute. I don't have one like this. This is really pretty. My friend Heidi makes pressed flower jewelry, and it's gorgeous, and this would go with a lot of the beads that I've gotten from her. This is really pretty. I like that. And if you wanted to make it a little bit more, I just wanted to change it up a little bit, you could line it with some thinner wire. That would be cool. I love that. That's really sweet, and it's perfect match to everything else so far. I can see a theme in this month's, which is fantastic. 8-piece, number 11, 16 by 10 millimeter double-sided daisy links, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are really cute. I would love to paint these yellow and white to look like a real daisy. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll make them into a daisy chain on a necklace. That'd be so cute. Number 12 is a 6-piece petal flower charm, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Again, I could do the same thing, maybe color these differently than the other daisies, but these are super cute. That's a cute little detailed flower. Now I'm gonna have to, I always threaten that I'm gonna get out my patina paints, but maybe I will this weekend. Number 13, we all know I love a toggle clasp. 4 sets, 19 by 24 millimeter dotted flower toggle clasp. Those are cute, very sweet. I love making bracelets with toggle clasps because I can close them one-handed. Number 14, 10-piece strand, 10 millimeter floral porcelain beads. I think I have these. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have these, so that would be great to make like even something a little bit longer. If they're not this pattern, it's something very, very close. So they're very pretty. I love porcelain beads. I love things that look vintage. These are really cute. Very cute. Number 15, 2-piece butterfly charms, 9 by 23 millimeter. They're antique silver. Cute, cute, cute. I think I have these from their sister store when they used to have them, but you can, let's say you wanted to use this on one piece, but then you wanted a green butterfly, you can paint it, you could just use it like this. I think those are really pretty. Gorgeous. I like this box a lot. I really do. And I'm glad because last month was rough. Number 16, 10-piece strand of Lilac Quartz. So they're dyed round beads. Oh, that's cool. Very nice. Very pretty. It's like a pale pinky purple. Very nice. Then number 17, oh, I really like these. 7.5 inch strand of 8 millimeter iridescent Moonstone glass beads. They're man-made. I do know that they have these in their sister store. I've seen them, which is Bead Box Bargains. I love the flash that they give off. Those make me so happy. And that's not a color I would normally choose. This is like a color, did they call it? They didn't call it a color, it's just iridescent Moonstone glass beads. So it's like a red pink. Definitely a red pink. Very nice. Number 18 is a 4-piece 10 by 11 millimeter pressed glass butterfly bead, violet ombre gold wash. Those are cute. So, okay, so they're like a marguerite almost, like the, that's the only word that I can think of to describe it. The hole goes this way. Actually, you know what? It's not quite in the middle. They're just top drilled. So those are cute. You could just make them into a little charm. Love those. Number 19? Yeah, 19. 5-piece, 15.5 millimeter pressed glass petal beads, magenta ombre gold shimmer. Those are cool. I don't have anything like that. This one's broken, but that's okay. Well, it's not broken, it's chipped. I would never be able to tell on a piece though, so it doesn't really matter. But you can see that gold shimmer on there. So cool. I want this in every color. I want this in turquoise, and I want it in green. And then number 19, number 20, approximately 50 millimeter dragon vein agate marquee pendant, dyed and heated. So they did the fuchsia color. Very pretty. That is vibrant. Like, it looks bright on the camera, but it is bright. And these are not the same. Well, this one's just a little bit brighter than these, but they coordinate. It's gorgeous. And then last but not least, we have a 7-inch strand, 4x3 millimeter lavender quartz dyed faceted rondelle beads. So those are really pretty too. So we got a lot of stone beads this month. So we have these, this, and we had 4. So again, it begs the question, what were they thinking last month? But I am very happy. I'm glad that they got it together for August. I think this is definitely a summer, maybe spring palette, but I think the hot fuchsia is definitely a summer color. I'm excited to make some stuff with this. I have some ideas already for these pieces. I really liked these charms. I really liked these connectors. My favorite things in the box are the agate rounds, these butterflies. I really like the petals. I liked everything. Everything was really cute in this box. I think it more than made up for last month. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite item? I think my absolute favorite item between the butterflies and yeah, you know what? I think it's the butterflies. I just think they're really cute. I like that color combo. So, but I mean, I really, really liked everything else. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Did you like this month better than last month? I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned. I already have the idea done in my head for this. So stay tuned. I'll be posting a video with those. And stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye. What you doing? Why are you all up in my face, huh? Why are you all up in my face? What you doing? What you doing? Huh? What you doing, baby? Been a good girl. Hmm? Boop. Camera comes out and you go to sleep, huh? Even though you were right awake a second ago. Oh, look at that tooth. Oh. Hi, babe. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.